This rounded back is the most common cause of spinal injury.
Keep your back straight and pull the weights toward your hips with control.
Pulling the bar behind the neck can permanently damage your shoulders.
Keep your chest up, shoulders down, and pull the bar toward your chest to feel your lats. Swinging your body makes the back muscles inactive. Keep your chest against the pad and row while squeezing your shoulder blades.
A rounded back deadlift can take you all the way to back surgery.
Maintain a neutral spine, keep your chest up, keep the bar close to your body, and generate power through your heels.